Most people think entrepreneurship is about luck. It isn't. It's about mindset, habits, and disciplined execution. The first invisible trap is chasing trends. Trends are fleeting. Foundations last. A business built on solid fundamentals survives market changes. Time is the most valuable resource. Disorganized schedules create stress. Structured days allow focus on what truly matters. Many entrepreneurs overestimate talent and underestimate effort. Skill matters, but consistent action compounds faster than talent alone. Delegation is critical. Trying to do everything yourself limits growth. Focus on high-impact tasks. Emotional control is an underrated advantage. Decisions made in anger or panic rarely succeed. Calm analysis wins. Patience outperforms speed. Impulse action backfires. The best decisions are deliberate and timed. Fear of failure causes overpromising. Trying to please everyone dilutes focus and credibility. Leverage is misunderstood. It isn't only money. Time, relationships, systems, and influence are leverage. Prioritize what multiplies impact. The need for approval is dangerous. Measure success by results, not recognition. Mental clarity is essential. Stress clouds judgment. Reflection, journaling, and planning are tools of winners. Overworking is glorified, but inefficient. Long hours without strategy create noise, not results. Networking mistakes happen when trying too hard. It's about being respected by the right people, not liked by everyone. Saying no is critical. Every commitment consumes energy and focus. Protect your priorities fiercely. Failure is inevitable. Reflection turns failure into a stepping stone. Most entrepreneurs follow trends instead of creating them. Leading, not copying, creates lasting advantage. Scaling requires letting go. Systems, processes, and capable people multiply results. Control everything, and growth stalls. Focus is rare. Distractions are everywhere. Design your environment for maximum attention. Busy work is a trap. Activity does not equal progress. Alignment with high-impact goals creates compounding growth. Leadership is quiet, not loud. Authority comes from clarity, consistency, and disciplined action. Powerful decisions are often invisible. Competitors may not notice, but the long-term advantage compounds. Financial discipline is non-negotiable. Reinvest strategically. Avoid impulsive spending. Patience multiplies returns. Energy fuels execution. Protect it like capital. Motivation fluctuates. Discipline ensures action, regardless of feelings. Silence produces strategy. Noise leads to mistakes. The calm mind sees opportunities others miss. Ego kills growth. Founders who resist learning stagnate. Consistency beats intensity. Sporadic bursts of effort cannot match steady, aligned action. Long-term vision beats chasing short-term wins. Quick wins are addictive. Discipline builds decades-long impact. Small daily choices determine trajectory. Habits compound like interest. Every action matters. Execution separates dreamers from winners. Ideas are cheap. Implementation produces results. Risk management is underrated. Calculated risks, not reckless gambles, create lasting success. Control your environment. Eliminate distractions. Reserve time for high-leverage work. Repetition builds mastery. Deep, deliberate practice beats inconsistent effort. Trust is currency. Earn it slowly, protect it fiercely, betray it, and your results collapse. Communication matters. Every word should serve purpose or reinforce authority. Health is foundational. Without physical and mental energy, strategy fails. Sleep, nutrition, and movement compound performance. Discipline is the multiplier behind every success. Consistency, focus, patience, and reflection create unstoppable growth. The difference between most entrepreneurs and the few who dominate is invisible. It's habits, mindset, and relentless execution. Do not underestimate the power of small, disciplined choices repeated every day. Check the link in the description to access the actionable guide that breaks these habits down step by step.